Unity in Action Holiday Celebration, celebrating the love and unity of our diverse community program organized by the Bridge Multicultural Advocacy Project, celebrating the love. The air is filled with joy and excitement as the Bridge Multicultural Advocacy Project gears up for its much anticipated holiday celebration. Unity in Action. This vibrant event aims to bring together people from diverse backgrounds to celebrate the love and unity that births our community. The program promises a sculpture showcase of cultural performance, festive decoration, and the era mouth-watering cuisine representing the rich tapestry of our community. Different nations will come together to share their tradition, creating an atmosphere of inclusion and mutual appreciation. The event will be graced by the presence of Mark Mayer, hailed as the hero of this celebration. His unwavering commitment to fostering unity and understanding among various communities has earned him this well-deserved title. Mayor Apple's dedication to creating a harmonious and inclusive community has become an inspiration for many. The festivities will kick off with a grand opening ceremony. Attendees can look forward to a diverse range of activities including cultural dance performance, traditional music. Attendants can look forward to their diverse range of activities including dance performance, traditional music, and interactive workshop that showcase the beauty of our differences. One of the highlights of this evening will be the Unity Wall where attendants can share message of love, acceptance, and unity. This interactive installation will serve as a visual representation of the collective spirit that birds our diverse community together. News of this amazing holiday celebration is spreading like a wildfire with media outlet and community members as like expressing anticipation for the event. The Unity in the Action program organized by the Bridge Multicultural and Advocacy Project is poised to be the resounding success, showcasing the power of love and the unity is creating a stronger, more connected community. This holiday season, let's come together to celebrate our diversity, embrace our differences, and build a community that stands united in love and understanding. Unity in Action promises to be unforgettable experience that reinforces the ideas that indeed love knows no boundaries. Never forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching this video.